Hey guys, I'm Jillian Berry. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to be talking to you about before and afters of transitioning to a raw vegan diet. I'm super excited. I have a lot of people in the raw community I know who have also transitioned, and they've had dramatic before and afters as far as their internal and external body goes, and it definitely glows and shows when you see their photos. So I will show you some of their photos right now. Take a look. I will also show you my own before and after right now, which was pretty dramatic. Nothing's affected my life more than going raw. 100% has changed my life more than anything I've ever been through. I will also start this video out with a quote which I love by Esther Blumenfield. So she says, "What you eat today walks and talks tomorrow." And it's so true. How we eat today totally affects the person we are tomorrow. We are what we eat, and the food affects us more than a lot of people even realize. Another person people know pretty well is Woody Harrelson. He's a big advocate for being raw. I don't think he's 100% raw, but he does eat a lot of raw and knows the benefits and how much it changes your life. So when he first started going raw, when he first started getting healthy, this is what he said. So he said, "The first thing was dairy. I was about 24 years old and I had a ton of acne and mucus. I met some random girl on a bus who told me to quit dairy and all these symptoms would go away 3 days later. By God, she was right." So a lot of people have this experience. They transition their diet and they remove these things and they have a dramatic physical and internal change. I was also one of these people. Like I said, it's totally changed my life. So I will talk about some of the befores, which were common for me and common for most people, things that you experienced before going raw vegan. So dark circles under your eyes, bad skin, acne on your face or on your body, or other skin problems or rashes, more sunken eyes, bloated, digestive problems, whether it be constipation or diarrhea or problems with your colon or your bowels, depression, problems sleeping, and nightmares. Those were a common thing I used to have before I went raw. I've never had one nightmare since I've been raw. Anxiety, constipation, headaches, panic attacks, feeling like you have no purpose, brain fog, not feeling attractive, because how can you feel very attractive when you're just feeding yourself garbage, essentially, right? So feeling lethargic a lot. And the afters, so these are the afters that I've experienced and anybody I know who's transitioned to a raw vegan diet. So clear skin, most of the time your skin will clear up. If you're done detoxing, your skin will clear up completely and be completely soft and how it was designed to be. No dark circles under your eyes, brighter whites of your eyes, deep sleep, no nightmares, a clearer mind, higher energy, just a more general well-being feeling and a happier feeling overall, and more drive through your purpose. You don't get sick ever. I've never once got sick while being a raw vegan, ever, not once. So there have been times over the last few years where I've slipped my diet, and I have got sick when I've slipped my diet. I've never been sick since being raw vegan, and most raw vegans will tell you the exact same thing. Especially people who have been raw vegan for like 15 or 20 years, they never get sick. So hopefully this has triggered your curiosity a little bit into the raw vegan world. Like I said, it's changed my life like nothing else, and any other raw vegans will tell you the exact same thing. So this is definitely what works for me. I do encourage you to do your own research, see what works for you, and definitely if you're feeling purpose or if you're feeling a desire to try this lifestyle, then definitely do. Feel free to message me below. I'm happy to help you out with it because I'm so passionate about this lifestyle and how much it's transformed me, so I'm happy to help you with it as well. Like this video and share if you know anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!